Assalamualaikum. This is an online shopping system. In this menu page, I have two options: login and register. In the login option, I can log in as an admin and as a customer. This is the admin menu page. The total products in the system are 2 and total customers are 1, and the total today's earning is 0. When I click to add products, product ID, product name, product quantity, and then product price, and then I click add, and then click view all products. I can see all the products available in my system. In the add stock, if I add the stock of product ID 1, and I click to view all products, I can see the quantity is updated. In the order product option, I can see whether the quantity is less than 0 and all the products have quantity greater than 0. In the view customers, I can see the customers in my system. And now log out. When I register a new customer, the customer ID, customer name, username, and then password. Now the new customer is registered. Now if I log in to my system, this is the menu page for the customer. Now if I click to view all products, I can see all the products in my system. Now if I purchase a product with ID 2, product ID 2, and then quantity 5, and then add, and then generate buy more option, and by clicking buy more option I can buy more products like that. And when I click to generate bill, this is the all product which I have selected. Now save the bill. This is my bill. Now if I click to previous purchases, I can see the products which I have bought from the system. But I'll log out and log in as an user again. And if I click to previous purchases, I can see the purchases which I have already done. Now in the if I log in as an admin again, now I can see my today's total earning is 95. And now if I click to order products option, now I can see here that this product quantity is now 0. Now I have to add the stock of this product. If I add the stock of the product having ID 2, now here I can see the product quantity is greater than 0 now. And if I click to view all option, I can see that the quantity has updated. And if I click to view all customers, now I can see all the customers available in my system. So this is all about my online shopping system. Thank you for watching.